B. It was discovered that bees can do simple maths. Bees can count to 4, read complex signs, learn by watching, and communicate with each other by dancing. When traveling over flowers, they take distances into account and determine a route accordingly, so that they can collect the most flower essence with the least effort. In the hive, individual bees share tasks such as cleaning, transporting the dead, ventilation. The human brain is 100,000 times larger than the bee brain, but we see the basic features of human behavior in the beehive. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzees can create specialized tools from leaves and twigs for different purposes. They also use stones to communicate with other chimpanzees over a large area and to drop and break nuts from trees. Recently, scientists have even observed chimpanzees applying crushed insects to wounds as self-medication. Dolphin. Dolphins have one of the largest brains relative to their body mass in the animal kingdom. These creatures have many abilities that indicate intelligence. They can be trained to detect underwater explosives and can even act in films due to their trainability, which is attributed to their intelligence. Dolphins can also recognize themselves in the mirror, a basic test of self-awareness that indicates intelligence. Dolphins in their habitat have also been observed hunting in cooperation and communicating with various squeaks, squawks, and whistles, all of which indicate the high intelligence of dolphins. Octopus. They are famous for getting in and out of tight spaces, opening jar lids, manipulating objects to solve problems, stealing crabs from fishermen's traps, and even escaping from aquarium tanks. These 8-armed animals not only have the largest brain-to-body size ratio among invertebrates, but are also remarkable for having multiple brains. They can quickly perceive and react to external information, for example, suddenly changing their colors and patterns to camouflage themselves. It turns out that the Pacific octopus can even recognize individual humans. Raven. The Indians called ravens rogues. This must be a reputation that can be attributed to the intelligence of these birds. They recognize human faces. They understand cause and effect, make plans, and are known for making and using tools to help them get food out of tight spaces. Ravens are also known for their open hatred of humans who deceive them, a sign of intelligence, and for complex social behavior such as holding funerals for dead members of their species. Elephant. An elephant has as many neurons in its cerebral cortex as a human brain. These creatures, which are also famous for their excellent long-term memory, an important indicator of animal intelligence, can also solve practical problems. In one experiment, elephants demonstrated how to reach food on a high branch by pushing objects such as cubes near food, and then using the cube as a stepping stone. Another well-known experiment shows that elephants can understand the need for cooperation and can modify their behavior to achieve a common goal. Dogs. Intelligence in dogs is divided into 3 groups. Adaptive intelligence. The type of intelligence based on the knowledge and skills that the dog can acquire, along with the ability to learn and problem solve. The dog's memory plays an important role in this. Although racial characteristics make a difference, the main determinant is the dog's learning capacity. A dog with high adaptive intelligence learns new relationships quickly, is a good observer, and gains experience from conditions and results. Instinctive intelligence. It is the intelligence related to the dog's own skills, which is included in the dog's genetic code. Training and obedience intelligence. The right training programs develop a dog's intelligence. Dogs trained by specialists get better scores in intelligence tests. In the research conducted in Canada, they evaluated dog breeds as working and obedience intelligence. In the study, it was determined that the collie breed dog was the most intelligent dog with 190 votes. Orangutan. In one study, orangutans were given dozens of puzzles. The puzzles included tests such as finding their way through a maze, untangling knots to reach food, and finding a different picture. Orangutans ranked highest among all species in this test. Orangutans have the ability to use tools and can easily pass on these skills to their offspring. Thank you for watching the video so far. You can write the idea for the next video in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Take care of yourselves.